Fusion Splicer On Connector, AJW, FSOC. Installation Manual. Prepare components. Remove the protection tube from the plug module. Set plug module in the splicing machine. Insert the screw cap onto the cable. Insert the boot. Insert the heat shrink tube. Strip off the cable sheath over 4 centimeters. Strip off the jacket of 900 micrometers and 250 micrometers, leaving 2 millimeters. And clean the fiber using alcohol and gauze. Cut off the fiber using the optical fiber cleaver at 10 millimeters. Set the cable in the holder in the splicing machine. Close the latch. Wait for calibration. And dial the set button and monitor the progression of the fusion. Insert the heat shrink tube until reaching the plug module. Set the heat shrink tube into the heating oven and dial the heat button. Insert the boot and connect with body. Connect the screw cap with the boot and secure the cable. Insert the housing to complete the assembly.